Today I'm going to walk you through a super simple, crispy, spicy buffalo chicken wing recipe. This recipe is super easy to make, it's delicious, it pleases a crowd, and it's perfect for game day. I hope you enjoy. Just like all my other recipes, I will be linking this in the description box below, and if you have any questions, let me know, I will answer them. This recipe calls for 4 pounds of chicken wings, which is 32 to 40 wings with the tips removed, and it will serve about 6 to 8 adults. So first you're going to pat them all dry with paper towels. This just helps the seasonings to stick, and it also helps to get them nice and crispy in the oven. Then you're going to cover them with 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Yes, 2 tablespoons. This baking powder will help dry out the skin, and it will also leaven it while it's baking in the oven and make them super crispy. So let those sit in the baking powder for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Then in a small bowl, you're going to combine 1/4 cup of flour, a tablespoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes. Give that a good mix together, and then you're going to take each chicken wing and coat it in this seasoning mix really well and place them each on a parchment-lined baking sheet. You're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and make sure it's nice and hot. Then put your chicken wings in there to bake. Set your timer for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, you're going to flip those over with tongs so that they get nice and crispy on both sides. While they're baking, you're going to add 1 cup of your buffalo sauce and 1/4 cup of butter to a saucepan. Get it nice and hot. And then you're going to coat your finished wings after they're done baking in this delicious buffalo sauce and serve it hot with ranch dipping sauce or blue cheese dipping sauce. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and we'll see you next time.